Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Apple ID. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser first, and as soon as it opens, type in appleid.apple.com and search. From the official website, enter your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID first and click on the next button. As soon as the password box appears, type in the password. If you forgot your Apple ID or password, click on the link and reset your password or get access to your Apple ID. After entering the credentials, click on the next button. Now you'll be sent a code to your mobile number. Wait for it to appear, and as soon as it does, enter the code and you'll be logged into your Apple account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.